Hello everyone, this is Bharat. I'm here to present about photolithography. So let's start our video. Photolithography. The words photo, litho and graphy are the Greek words which means light, stone and writing respectively. Photolithography is a printing method in which light plays an essential role. In the earlier time, the same method is implemented using limestone printing plates. This photolithography is invented by Nicephore Niepce in 1820s. This is about photolithography. What is photolithography? Photolithography, also called optical lithography or UV lithography, is a process used in microfabrication to pattern parts on a thin film or the bulk of substrate, also called a wafer. It uses light to transfer a geometrical pattern from a photo mask, also called an optical mask, to a photosensitive. It is a light sensitive chemical photoresist on the substrate. A series of chemical treatments then either etches the exposure pattern into the material or enables deposition of a new material in the desired pattern upon the material underneath the photoresist. How to get a photolithography, and these are the steps to be followed to get a photolithography. So step 1 is to prepare a wafer, and the second step is to apply photoresist, and followed by align photo mask. After aligning photo mask, expose it to UV light, and the fifth step is to develop and remove photoresist which is exposed to UV light, and the sixth step is to remove exposed oxide, and the last and final step is to remove remaining photoresist. How to prepare a photolithography? In the preparation of photolithography, initially the wafer is heated to sufficient temperature to dry off the temperature on the surface of the wafer, and here it takes 10 minutes to heat the wafer up to 150 degrees centigrade. Here, if the wafer is stored, then it should be cleaned for the removal of contamination on the wafer. For cleaning the wafer, we use promoter bis trimethylsilyl amine HMDS applied to promote adhesion of the photoresist to the wafer. Developing of photolithography are of two types: positive resist and negative resist, and followed by etching and stripping. How to remove a photoresist? If photoresist is not needed, then it should be removed from the substrate. In this removal process, we need a liquid known as resist stripper, which chemically alters the resist so that it no longer adheres to the substrate. And we have another method to remove a photoresist by dry etching. In this process, photoresist may be removed by plasma containing oxygen, which oxidizes it. This process is ashing, and which resembles the dry etching. This is how we remove a photoresist. Thank you for watching this video.